In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to plan your year in Asana. We'll start by creating your home base. In Asana, click New Project. Choose Blank Project and name it 2025 Annual Plan. Enable the list, calendar, timeline, and dashboard views so you can plan, schedule, and track from one place. This is your central hub for everything that happens throughout the year. Next, set your yearly direction using goals. In the left sidebar, open Goals and click New Goal. Give it a clear name, like Grow Revenue 20%. Set the time period to 2025 and assign an owner. Add key results if you have them. This keeps your work aligned and makes progress measurable. Inside your 2025 annual plan project, break the year into quarters with 4 sections: Q1, Q2, Q3, and Q4. Treat each quarter like a mini plan so work stays focused and time-bound. Now add the big rocks. In list view, enter major events, launches, campaigns, content pillars, trips and holidays, payroll dates, monthly reports, product releases, and any projects you already know about. Give each item a due date or date range, then switch to timeline view to drag these across months and resolve any conflicts early. Automate your rhythm with recurring tasks. Create tasks like monthly KPI check, monthly finance review, weekly content tasks, a monthly planning task, quarterly review tasks, and team meetings. Add a due date, click repeat, and choose weekly, monthly, annually, or custom. Assign owners and add brief descriptions so every recurrence is clear. Build a master view of your year by switching to calendar view. You'll see launches, events, non-negotiable deadlines, recurring tasks, and other important dates all in one place. Use color tags via custom fields such as department, priority, quarter, or theme. Filters help reduce noise when you need focus. Connect execution to strategy by linking projects to your 2025 goals. Open each major project, go to Overview, then Goals, and link it to your annual goal. Asana will roll up progress automatically. Create a quarterly review system with 4 tasks: Q1 review in March, Q2 review in June, Q3 review in September, and Q4 review in December, each set to repeat yearly. Inside each task, add a checklist covering what worked, what didn't, goal adjustments, move deadlines, and the next quarter's plan. For visibility, open the dashboard in your 2025 project and add widgets like tasks by quarter, overdue tasks, tasks by priority, a project progress chart, and a goal contribution chart. If you manage multiple initiatives, create a portfolio called 2025 Strategic Plan. Add your quarterly projects, major campaigns, and long-term work for a single high-level view of the entire year.